Troubleshooting means, yes, can you hear me? What do you mean by troubleshooting a computer? No idea. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting and maintenance of computer. So that is the heading. So I am asking what is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting. Yes.
Uh, a systematic process.
A systematic process. So what kind of process?
Resolving issues.
Yes, kind of resolving issues related to computer, right? So first we have to identify the problem or issue that into the computer, right? So troubleshooting can active, right? So if a computer is freezing or refusing or turn on thing, this, right? So that is a test. So we have to uh, the problem, right? So first identify the problem or error, then can resolve the problem, right? So that is troubleshooting and maintenance of computer. So here there are two types of troubles when we experience the computers, right? So can categorize those problems into two types. Okay. So the first one is hardware related problems. What is it? Hardware related problems. So what do you mean by hardware in computers? What is hardware in computer? The physical components. The physical components of computer, like mouse, keyboard, display units, system units, right? So these are called as hardware of computer, right? So hardware related problems related to these physical devices, right? Then software related problems. Software means the set of instructions, right? Set of instruction which is used to process kind of a task in computer, right? So can classify the software into two types. One is application software and the other one is system software, right? In system software, we have the operating system, right? So operating system related problems and application software related problems. So application software means the software which is used to application software means the software which is used to fulfill the day-to-day task of a user, right? For example, a user need to create a document, a letter, right? So that time the user needs word processing softwares, right? So that is kind of application software, right? So when we have some issues or problems with the word processing software, so that is can categorize that one can categorize under application software related problems, right? So like that we have number of application softwares uh, to to perform calculations or arithmetic problems. We need spreadsheet softwares, right? To maintain a database, we need a database software like Microsoft Excel, right? Then to create a presentation, we need a presentation software like Microsoft PowerPoint. So it's kind of application software. For designings, graphical designings, we need graphical designing softwares like Photoshop, Corel Draw, right? These are application softwares. Then to listen audio, to listen an audio, we need audio players, right? Then to watch films or videos, we need video players. So these are application softwares, right? So the problem arise with these kind of application software is called application software related problems, right? Then in the operating system, right? So operating system is the prime software which is used to operate the computer and maintain its functions, right? So problems related to operating system. So we'll see one by one, right? So is this clear? Friends, friends, can you hear me?
Yes.
Is it clear what we discussed? Huh? Right. Okay. If you have any doubt, then ask me.
Clear, sir.
Right. If you have any doubts, unmute yourself and please ask the questions. Right. When I ask you a name, then you have to answer it. Right. Okay. Is it clear? It's clear, no? Right. So then we'll move to the next part. Right. Here there are some ports. Ports means the connector, which is used to connect the peripheral devices with computer. Right. So that is called um, ports, computer ports. Right. Right. In computers, there are a number of ports. Right. In that, the first one, right, PS2 ports. PS2 ports. In earlier computers, we used these kind of ports, that means PS2 ports, to connect mouse and keyboard. To connect mouse and keyboard, right? And the purple one is for keyboard and the green color one is for mouse, right? So purple and green, okay? Right. Then we have the VGA port. VGA port. So what is the use of VGA port? Yes.
For
So monitor with
monitor with
VGA connection.
VGA connection.
What? Yes, sorry. Hear you.
For
Monitor
monitor
with
with
VGA connection,
VGA
sir.
connection.
Right. Okay. Very good. To connect the display unit, that means the monitor with computer, we need VGA ports, right? So it's with a blue color, right? And there are some holes in this port, right? So you have to connect the VGA cable into this port, right? In VGA cable, there are some pins, right? So you have to connect those pins into the hole, right? So this is VGA port, which is used to connect
The Wi-Fi la
the.
ಮಂಚ ಕಲ wire ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು VGA ಬಂಗಿರೋದು.
Who is that? Jishnu then. Please switch off your mic. Okay.
Sir, not me, sir.
It's not you. You know is that. Sorry. Right. Okay. Then the third one, DVI port. So what is the use of DVI port? So DVI port is also used to connect monitors with the computer. Right? DVI port. Digital visual input or something. Huh? Right. So then we have Anna.
Ana சேர் வந்து வா ஈட்ட போன்ற
Anna,
ஓர
please
விளையாட்டு
switch off
போன்ற
your mic.
கால
Anna, please switch off your mic. Right. So then the HDMI port. HDMI is also used to connect monitors or televisions. Nowadays, you can connect multimedia projectors, smart boards with system units, right? So it works as input and output, both audio and video, right? So that is called HDMI ports, right? Then we have the USB ports, right? For all devices with USB type connections, you can connect with these USB ports, right? For example, nowadays you can connect a keyboard, mouse, then you can connect the flash drives, no? So a number of devices can be connected through this USB port, right? Then we have the RJ45 Ethernet port to connect networks or networking devices with these ports, right? For example, a router can be connected using this Ethernet port, right? So Ethernet port or RJ45 port or network port. So there are a number of this. Okay, right. So then we have eSATA port. eSATA port to connect external storage devices with computer. We need eSATA port. Right. Then we have the HD audio ports to connect speakers and microphones, uh, the audio devices, right? With this HD audio port. Then we have a display port, right? This one also a kind of uh, HDMI or a DVI port to connect a display to this display unit or monitor with the system units, right? And this one, parallel port. In earlier computers, we used to connect printers, right? In our computer, we need a parallel port. Nowadays, the modern types of printers can be connected with USB ports and USB cables. Okay, so the purple color one, parallel port, that is used to connect earlier printers, right? So then micro USB port. Micro USB ports connect smart devices such as mobile phones, then MP players, MP3 players, photo printers, and some digital cameras, right? So this is a micro USB port, right? Then we have SD card reader to connect SD cards, right? You know SD cards in mobile phone also we have the SD cards, right? So can connect these SD cards with these SD card readers, especially this one is in laptops and some kind of tab computers, right? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Right. So these are the basic ports with computer. Right. So we'll move to the activity. Right. So here you can see the activity. Right. Select the most suitable word or words from from those in the box to fill the blanks in the statements given below. Right. So within the box, there are some words. Right. The first one, computer, Ethernet port, keyboard, PS2, HDMI, driver software, uninstalled, VGA, disconnect power supply, restart, hardware, defects, main storage, USB, then install, software defects, RJ45, application software, and mouse, right? So these are the words within the brackets or within the box. So you have to pick the correct
Secretary
answer
calling the
from this
police.
box. Yes? Nina? Yes, Nina? Right. So, I will give 10 minutes to do this activity, right? So, don't write the questions, just write the question number and just write the answer, just write the correct answer. No need to write the questions. Okay, it's clear now? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Right, now start. Right, I will give 10 minutes for this question, right? Make it fast.
Finish, sir.
Right, send your answers in the chat box. If you can uh, take a snapshot and you can send in chat box. Snapshot and send it with chat box. Okay, then I will check your answers.
Send.
All right, I will check it. Anna, your answers correct. Anna, can you hear me? Yes, others. Okay.
So I can hear. Can you repeat again?
Right, your answers are correct.
Okay, sir.
So what about others? Make it fast. Make it fast. Right. We'll check the answers. No, the screen is visible. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir. Visible.
Right. Look at the box. Right. So there are some words. Right. The first one is computer. First one is computer. The second one is Ethernet port. Ethernet port. And third one, keyboard is there. PS2 port is there. HDMI. Then driver software, uninstall, VGA, disconnect power supply, restart, hardware defects, main storage, USB, install, software defects, RJ45, application software, and mouse. Right. So we'll see one by one. So the first statement is common problems faced with the use of computers are. Yes, what are the problems?
Hardware defect.
Sorry?
Software defect and hardware defect.
Yes. Okay, very good. It's related with software and hardware. So hardware defects and software defects. Software defects. Right? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, the second question. Inactive blank and blank are hardware problems.
Keyboard and mouse.
Yeah, very good. Inactive keyboard and mouse. Inactive keyboard and mouse are hardware problems. Okay, very good. Then it is essential to blank when checking cables connected to the computer.
Disconnect power supply.
Yeah. Disconnect power supply. Disconnect power supply to the computer. Right, so that is correct. Okay, disconnect power supply is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Then to connect keyboard and mouse, right? In earlier computers can connect with PS2 ports. PS2 ports. So nowadays can use USB ports. USB,
USB.
is it correct? Is it
Yes, sir.
correct? Right. Next, RJ45 cable is connected to the net port. The net port of Ethernet port of a computer. Ethernet port of a computer. Yes. And sixth one, blank cables are used to connect a television to a computer. So HDMI.
Uh,
HDMI cable. HDMI cables are used to connect a television to a computer. All right, so that is correct. The seventh one, the basic solution to most of the problems in computers is to blank the computer.
restart. Restart.
Is to restart the computer. Yes, very good. Restart is the correct answer. And the eighth one, right? Eighth one, some hardware connected to computer may not function because blank is not installed properly.
Driver
Because
software.
driver softwares. Driver software is not installed properly, right? Okay. Then question number 9. Lack of space in the blank slows down a computer.
Main storage.
Main storage, yeah. Main storage slows down a computer. To make a computer run more efficiently, it is needed to
Uninstall.
yes, uninstall unnecessary software. Right. So that is correct. Right. So that's all now. Right. In 10 questions there, right? 10 questions there, but I think 14 blanks there, no? In these 10 questions, 14 blanks there. 1, yes, 2, here 3, yeah, 4. So 14 questions there. 14 blanks there. Right. Uh, who got all correct? That means 14 out of 14.
So me, Anna
Dhanavi,
got
sir.
14.
Niham, sir.
Anna, yes, I checked Anna's answer. Then
Yeah.
Jayani, okay, very good, Jayani. Anna, very good. Then
Dhanavi, sir.
Dhananvya,
Niham,
okay,
sir.
very good. Minham, okay, very good.
Jisnudan, sir.
Jisnudan,
Abdul
14 out of
Qadir,
14.
sir.
But you didn't send your answers to me. How to?
I sent, sir.
I got Minham's and Anna's answers, right? Okay, okay, very good. Now we'll move to the next activity also, right? That is activity 2.4. Match the images in the first column with the words in the second column and write the relevant English letter in the blank, right? So in your writing book, you can't draw these tables and you can't write the answers, right? In your writing book, write like this, right? Put the letter here, right? And write the correct name of this device. That's enough, right? For example, just write A and what is this? Which device is this? So you have to write the answer here. No need to consider about these things. Uh, if you have any extra workbook, then you can do with that workbook. Otherwise, write it in your exercise book like this. Okay, got it? Hello, students, got it? Is it clear?
Sir.
What about others? Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now do this activity 2.4.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Should we write the question number A only, sir?
Yes. If you number, then write the correct answer, correct name of this device. That's enough.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Right, shall we check the answers? First, can you hear me?
Sir, can I send in the chat box, sir?
Right, okay. We'll discuss now. What is the first one? A. What is A? Yes. Anna, Minham, Anshada. Yes. Tell me the correct answer for the A. Yes, can you hear me? Jayani, what is the answer for the first one? What is the first one? Minham, can you hear me? Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me the answers.
I'll send the answers in the chat box, sir.
Right. Okay. What about others?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I've sent the answers in your chat box, sir. Abdul Qadir.
Yeah, I got it. But only for A and B. What about others? Right. Look here. The first one. What is the first one? What is the first one?
VGA card.
Is it VGA card?
Sir, display card.
Parallel port, sir.
This one is port, no man. This is not card. This is not VGA card day, right? So this is the parallel port, right? Just now we discussed that, no? Parallel port, right? One, B,
USB port.
that is USB. Then what is this? D. Hmm? Okay. This one. What is this? E SATA port. No? So this is port. Then this one, C. C, VJ port. Right? Then D, USB port. D is USB. Then E. E is audio port. HT, audio port. F, HDMI port. Right? Then G, RJ45 or Ethernet port. Right? And H. What is H? H. H. Yeah. Display port. Right? So DH is the display port. And I, micro USB port. Yes, that right. Micro USB port. Then J, SD card reader. And K, display port. And L, PS2 ports. Right? So these are the correct answers for activity 2.4. Okay, got it? Is it okay? You got the answers? Friends, please reply
Yes,
me.
sir.
Uh, What about others? Right. So that's all for today's session. We'll finish the clock. Okay. If you have any doubts, then ask me in ports. If you have any doubts, then ask me.